Order submitted.
Order working.
Order canceled.
Order cancelled.
All right, good morning, everybody. It is the 17th. It is a Wednesday, and did not do a morning show yesterday. I had a very early morning meeting and wasn't able to do the morning show, but we are back. All I've traded is a little bit of gold, and that's it. Did have a setback yesterday as well. Still sitting at 51,000 on that $50,000 account. I had to make a few adjustments because the way that I excuse me, the way that I trade is really based on a little bit bigger drawdown. It can take a little bit bigger drawdown. I don't have that luxury here with this Apex. So the maximum drawdowns they're going to give you is 5% drawdown. So that's tight. So, but we can work around it. So I've made some adjustments, and we'll see how we're going to do here. Today I'm going to be focusing on the S&P, the Micro S&P, Micro Gold, and the Micro Nasdaq. I don't have any trades today in the crude, and I'm not going to have anything in the Russell. So that is where we are. And right now I am just waiting to see if we can get a setup this morning. Opportunity here to short the gold. Let's see the short. The short will be coming in at 24 even and a half, 2400.5. So I'm going to go ahead and just put that order in down here to sell. Should come down there.
Order submitted.
Order working.
Oops, didn't mean to put that in.
Order canceled.
Order cancelled.
So it's going to be 2400.5. And we'll
Order
put it in.
submitted.
Order working.
There we go. get an alert down there should we get triggered. All right, Preston order sitting down here at 2,450 cents. Possible short on the Micro S&P 5,175. All right, go ahead and put a resting order down there.
Order submitted.
Order working.
That would go ahead and complete the pattern. And momentum's good right now. If this momentum fades, I'll go ahead and lift that order right now. If it hits it, I want to go ahead and I want to take that 5,100.75, and that's going to be a short on that micro gold, on the micro S&P. All right, that's it. I don't see anything on the Nasdaq yet, so we're gonna wait on that. See if we can trigger on this gold. That's it. Possible short coming up on the gold, 2400 and a half. Possible short coming up on the micro S&P down here, 5175. We start with a single micro contract, and then I will add as we go. Right now, nothing on. All right, starting out pretty quiet as it always does around this time in the morning. We're sitting a little bit after 8:15 Eastern. And then, of course, as we get closer to 9 a.m. Eastern, things start to heat up. So right now, I don't have anything on. Possible short coming up on the gold. We'll see S&P momentum starting to slow down. So let me go ahead and let this work. Right now, I'm not seeing anything else. Just watching the gold. And I am watching the micro S&P. small Dow this morning. Yeah, small Dow's up 104. All right, just wait for something here. So right now I'm only looking for a short on the S&P. Now that can change. I do get a buy pattern setting up, and it looks like momentum is starting to increase on the upside. Then we may have a buy coming up. But right now, really have nothing yet. Get a little bit more action here, a little bit more volume.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
Okay, just going short the gold. All right, so I'm gonna have a target down here at 23.96 and a half.
Order submitted.
Order working.
And in this case, I will stop and reverse if I need to up here at 24.08 and a half.
Order submitted.
Order working.
And so, of course, for short gold, possible short coming up 5,100 on this Micro S&P 5,175. Target on the gold, 23.96 and a half. So this is a little bit longer time frame. I do trade multiple time frames. This is the longer term time frame on the gold. So a lot of times it could take a while before it hits my target. Sometimes if the momentum is really strong, it'll hit it fairly quickly. So now on the gold, gold's been really hot lately, so I do like gold. Possible short, once again, watching on the S&P at 5,100.75. No, Jason, I did not get funded. I'm staying at 5,100. Had a little pullback in my equity, so I'm not quite there yet. Still working on it. I didn't do the morning show yesterday because I had an early morning 6 a.m. meeting, and I didn't get out of that until noon. And then by the time I got back, I did some trading. It was kind of dead. And I got chopped up on the Micro S&P. I got some chopped up on the gold yesterday afternoon. But we're hanging in and moving forward. So one thing I have on right now is just short the gold. Trying to get a target down here at 23.96.5. I will sell an S&P down here at 5,100.75. Jason, how's your trading going? Are you trading are you trading with prop firm? All right, still short the gold, trying to get it down at 23.96 and a half.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, so we just took profit on our gold, so I'm out of the gold. Go ahead and cancel any open positions, which I did have. I did have a reversal up here, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel that.
Order
Order
canceled.
cancelled.
Now we just wait. Next setup, possible short on the micro S&P, but I'm not. The momentum just kind of dying off here, but small down has come down a little bit. It's only at 34. Yeah, it does. And so here's the thing, Jason. Talk about taking a long time. You don't want to get too aggressive, okay? But think about it. You're not just looking to pass the eval. You want to be able not only pass the eval, but once you get funded to continue that. If you get aggressive just to pass the eval, you're going to blow out when you get funded, and then you're going to start from the beginning again. So there's no rush. You want to take your time, take it slow, take it easy. And that's really the purpose. I figured that in the beginning I would probably blow out several accounts until I adjusted to these micros. And once again, I'm not used to a 5%, you know, um, trailing stop. I mean, that's your drawdown, 5%. And I've had 15, 20% drawdowns. So if I know I can make money on that, can I make money with a tight 5%? That's why I went over to the micros instead of the minis. and that's why I'm just kind of tweaking the way I've been trading to meet the criteria of these uh, prop firms, and that's really what it's all about. But passing it one time, two times doesn't mean anything. I need to pass it 10, 20 times. And so the strategy I'm developing is going to be a slow grinder, but that's okay because once you get all of your accounts under your belt, let's say you have 10 accounts and all you make, let's say all you make is $100 a day. I mean, that's good money if you multiply that times 10 or 20. And so we're not looking to be a hero. We're not shooting for the fences. You're not going to see me making, $15,000, $20,000 in a day. I mean, that's not my strategy. My strategy is try to be as conservative as possible, and then just duplicate that over and over and over again. That's that's the strategy. But it takes patience. A lot of traders don't have patience. Um, I understand that, but that's the key to success. You've got to be patient. If you're not patient, you will blow out. I had a pretty good drawdown on this $50,000 account. I'm sitting at 51, almost 51 1. The tendency to say, well, I was up more. The tendency is wanting to get aggressive. And that's the last thing you do. Is you always dig yourself out of a hole slowly, never quickly. Most traders will want to get out of a hole quickly, and that's the recipe for disaster. So I have always stated that when you're in a hole, you dig yourself out slowly, not quickly. That will help you survive. Now, of course, sometimes you'll hit a nice streak and you'll move out of it quickly, but don't expect that to happen. Just be patient, work your way out of it slowly. Yeah, and that's a good question. The monthly cost, guess what? $39. That's it, $39. If somebody can't afford $39 a month, they should be trading, and they should also expect the fact that they're going to go through that $39 for several months. But you got to think of the long-term picture here. Okay, once you get several funded accounts, all that $39 that you spent perfecting your approach to these prop firms will all be paid back many, many, many times. And so, where else can you trade 50,000 for $39? And that's your risk. That is your maximum risk, 39 bucks plus tax or whatever it is. But say $40. That's nothing, guys. I mean, that's people. Oh, 37. Okay, so somebody tell me now it's $37. And I have discount codes if you want it. I know this month they're giving 80% off. If you want to join us, you can. There's a code right below this video. There's a link and a code. If you use my code and the link, then what I'll do is once you join Discord, I'll help you get set up on the charts. I'll send you my template because I use a template to. I use Thinkorswim as my charting package. I do not use um, NinjaTrader. I use Thinkorswim because I've had them forever since they've been around. And I like their charting. I like the way that they display their charts. So what you're seeing here is you're seeing the first hour. I'll continue to trade all day long. And then if you join my Discord, you can stay with me all day. And there's no delay. The problem with I mean, you shouldn't be really mirroring anybody's trades. I mean, that really is a disaster. Can be a disaster for several reasons, of course, but to follow somebody live without delay, you're not going to find it on YouTube. You have to go. I stream on Discord and it's live, so there's no delays. That's a better way to follow somebody than under a delayed broadcast. Once again, these broadcasts and everything I do is really just for educational purposes only. I don't give financial advice. I'm just showing you how I have been trading for the last 35 years of my 40-year career. That's all that I'm doing. There is a different way of doing it. That's basically what you're seeing here. Okay, watching gold. I am getting a buy on the gold. So I wasn't paying attention. So I'm gonna
Order
go.
filled.
filled.
Okay, I'm on the gold. All right, so my target on my gold is going to be, well, it's going to be up here again, 2400.5.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Okay, 2400.5 is where I'm trying to sell this at.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh my God, what is going on? Something's happening, guys. The order thing is not working.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
What is going on? All right, so let's try this again here. I have to refresh Ninja. All right, I'm gonna try it again here.
Order submitted.
Order working.
There we go. So I'm in, got gold, trying to get up here to 2400.5. I will have a reversal down here. This will be a reversal, not a stop. $23.94.5.
Order submitted.
Order working.
Okay, not seeing anything on the micro S&P. Still not seeing anything on the micro Nasdaq. So Jason, what are you trading? What do you have you been trading for a while? Or are you a new trader? And that's the other thing is, if you've never worked with a new platform, for me, I've always used Thinkorswim, but if you've ever used any other platforms, um, like Ninja Trader, you got to get used to it. I had some errors this morning. I'm in and out of the gold, so all I did is basically just added some commissions in there. But you've got to, if you're not used to using Ninja Trader, I gave myself at least a couple weeks to try to get comfortable with it, and I still make mistakes with it. So, there's a lot of things to learn, and I'm also using a copier. You got to make sure the copier's set up right. I've had trades where um, I would get into one account, and it would get me out of the second account, and then I'd put another trade on, and it would get me in my first account, but it never got me out of my second account. So you have to always be checking all your accounts to make sure that the copier didn't have a glitch. Because I found myself in trades I shouldn't have been in before in a second account. So you just gotta, there's a lot of moving parts if you're gonna start trading multiple, if you're gonna do multiple accounts. So make sure that your trades are being duplicated if you are using a copier. I know, crazy, crazy. It is. Yeah, Jason, the only thing I can recommend is the more time you spend in front of the charts, the better. Spend a lot of time in front of charts, just getting familiar with the action of the market.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
All right, so we are approaching the top of the hour, folks. So that's going to wrap it up here. Got another 30 minutes here before the opening bell. We'll continue to trade on. Only thing I have on right now is on the gold, a couple golds on, and we will go ahead and wrap this morning show up. Any questions? Please, you can contact me via my website, innovative trading strategies.com. Check out all my videos. I have 3 or 4
Order filled.
videos you can watch. So we just hit target on the gold, so we're getting out of gold. All right, everybody have a good day, and hopefully we'll see you first thing tomorrow morning. Good luck in your trading.